Young CEOs of Express Yourself Music Group.
What's your name?
Mine? That's it.
What's your name?
Right there.
What y'all do?
We don't
Play baseball. Play basketball.
What your daddy do?
Gamble.
What he do?
Gamble.
We take care of the group.
Express Yourself Music.
We take care of the Express Yourself Music Group.
And what about y'all?
We co-sign.
And what's your name, y'all say?
You just said it.
Huh?
You just said it.
And what you do?
Play basketball.
Play basketball.
Come on.
Alright. What you do?
Play basketball.
You signing out?
Yeah.
What's the label called?
Express Yourself Music Group.
Alright, y'all gonna get yourselves together?
Yeah.
Alright.